Got a different one for you today. This one is the door lock mechanism. The same door I did earlier with the track, and it doesn't go up or down when you use your clicker. It just doesn't do anything. You can do it with your hand. That's it. So need to be able to lock it, and so I'm going to try to get this torn apart and get this other part installed I got the other day. Okay guys, just like yesterday, you got your same 7 screws. You got the one here, 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 down here, 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 and the one that goes here. And then you've got your 2 speaker wires to disconnect. Same deal as the last time. And we just got to peel our plastic back and see what we got to do to get this part out. Okay, push this out and pull it down like this. So it'll go right there and push back in. Just gonna let this hang right there. And there's a plug right here, and you just push, unplug. Alright guys, right here on the end there's 3 little screws. Take a hex bit that need to be backed out, and then this makes the whole part loose. But you have to take some other stuff out for it to come out, because it's wrapped around the window guide. Okay guys, I've got all 3 of these screws out. I've actually popped this little thing out here, but I'm going to show you how that goes. It's almost impossible to see. I'm going to show you on the new part how to put it back in there. Got a little bolt right here to loosen, and there's one on the other side in the same place. Alright, there was one more bolt. It's 13 or 14 millimeter. It was here. Now the whole thing will slide up with these other bolts. There was one here, then the one I showed you over here. Now, and the 2 on the bottom that were bolts. So the whole thing's now raised up. The window's all the way up, but the frame has went that much further, so I can get this part out. Okay guys, I want to give you just a little bit of a better view of what you need to be loosening to get this piece right here up. It is this screw here, these 3 here for the part, then you've got this one here, and then there's one here on the inside that I show in the video, and then you've got the 2 inside down here, the bolts. And basically, once you raise this up, both sides, the way this wraps around, so here's the part, the way it fits in the door, and basically inside the door it's like this. So there's no way to get this out without raising this bar up. So you got to completely take this loose with those bolts and screws, and once you raise it up high enough, then you can work this out once you've got those 3 screws here out. So I hope that makes it pretty clear. Okay guys, this is that thing I was wanting to show you. Here's the bar, and I've pushed it back into the hole in the middle of that white thing there, and it's hard to get to. But now there's a little black piece that folds around the wire. Now, I don't think there's any way for me to get it, but I'm going to try. There it is. Get my hand in there. And there's this. Well, I've got it folded down, but I haven't got it snapped on. There's just no way to show it. Okay, I'm going to try to get this part where you can see it. There's that wire. And I'm going to just hook this piece on and lift it up. Snap it in. Okay guys, that wraps up another one. This wasn't too bad. I mean, once you got all the stuff taken away and the bolts out, just a few things. It's a little hard to see, but you know, once you got to the part where everything was loose, it wasn't too bad getting in and out. Just remembering, you know, how everything went. It's working. I can take the clicker and locks go up and down now, so that was good. And I might have one more of those to do on the rear. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.